Natasha Crown is a Serbian-born and Swedish-raised fashion, curvy, plus-size model, and social media influencer. She is best known for sharing her sizzling, curvaceous, attractive photos and videos. She is also famous for uploading her exclusive content on OnlyFans sites. Natasha grew up in Gothenburg, Sweden along with her family and relatives. Being passionate about fashion, glamour, and makeup ever since a child, at a young age she decided to make a career in the same field. She gained initial fame on Instagram by sharing her curvaceous, sizzling, and attractive photos and videos. On Instagram, she has accumulated more than 1 million followers so far. With rising fame on social media, Natasha has been the face and promoter of various lingerie, makeup, and sports brands including Fashion Nova Curve and more. Presumably soon, she will be featured in several fashion and entertainment magazines. In addition to this, she has an OnlyFans site, where her exclusive contents are uploaded for premium users. Natasha Crown has not shared her exact date of birth as of now, so it is difficult to comment on her age. She is 5'7" tall and her weight is approximately 71 kilograms. Selena Gonzalez is also a popular American fashion, curvy model, and social media influencer. Natasha Crown's net worth as of now, in 2021 is estimated to be more than $500,000. Sources of her earnings are modeling, brand promotions, and endorsements.